Okay, so hi everyone. So my topic is deadlock detection technique in distributed system. So in these features also showing the real life deadlock problem. Like every kind of vehicles kind of move in this traffic. So this real life situation is extract from this picture. So let's move to the next slide. So what is deadlock? So deadlock is a state of which each member of group is waiting for another member, including itself to its action, such as sending a message or more commonly a lock. Deadlock is commonly problem in multiprocess system and parallel computing and distributed system, where the software and hardware locks are used to update shared resource and implement. So in this picture showing A is the request while processing B, but it's processing B2 as shown. Okay, let's move to the slide. So this is a manifest of deadlock, which means a deadlock condition. So there's a called WFG wait for graph, and there's also the nodes handling in the system, and the conduct edges is below for the clogging creation, which is blocked for this procedure. So this is process performance deadlock. It's the deprivation is a process and execution in permanent halted. And let's move to the next slide. These are the deadlock conditions. There's a 4 conditions. The first one is mutual elimination. This means the resources involved must be unshareable, otherwise the process would not be prevented from the user resource when necessary. And the second one is hold and wait. This means the process must hold the resources they have to already been allocated while waiting for the other request resources. If the process had to release its resource when a new resource or resource were requested, deadlock could not occur because the process would not prevent the from using resource that it controls. And the third one is no assumption, which means no preemption. This process is like a resource taken away while that resource is being used, otherwise the deadlock could not occur since the operating system could take enough to resource for the running process to enable the process to finish. And the last one is a circle wait. So it's like the circle chain of the process, with each process is holding resources which are currently being requested by the next process in the chain that cannot exist. If it does, cycle resource graph is necessary for deadlock to occur, as indicated this occur. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So what is deadlock distributed environment? There are two types in resource deadlock and connection of deadlock. The first one is like appearing due to the recovery of request resource, and most frequently it's a connection of deadlock is like delay for the certain message before it could be proceed in a deadlock situation. Okay, let's move on the side. So what is the deadlock detection? So the deadlock detection is like for the process actually determines that deadlock is existing and identify the process and resource involved in the deadlock. So this is basically the idea is the allocation against resource availability for the possibilities for the allocation sequence and determine the deadlock as a state. So there's a resource allotment optimized for check and like same as what I told. And let's move to the next slide. So handling deadlocks. So there are 3 types in deadlock handling in centralized system. So first one is deadlock prevention, and second one is deadlock avoidance, and third one is deadlock detection and removal. So the first one, deadlock prevention. The deadlock prevention is like the approach is the transaction to acquire the locks that will lead to deadlocks. This main idea is convention that when more transaction requests for the same time, the granted when locked is the most popular deadlock prevention method is pre-accession of all locks. In this method is transaction access all the lock before starting execute and retain locks. So, and the second one is deadlock avoidance. this deadlock evidence is handling deadlock before they occurs if it analyzes the transaction and logs to determine whether or not went into the deadlock. So as I told, the deadlock evaluation is like there are two defects: and incomplete and lack of preceding a resource requirement date or process. So there are for the example in this slide, this I called the path push algorithm, which is invented by Obamax. There's a called virtual X node, which is the section like a separate maintained like the WFE. So this process like as I told the endurance, and for the example for deadlock is visibilities. That's the other side. Chance Mishra and Haas edge chasing array. In this algorithm is showing the clogging process assigned to the provision message the equity process. Like the message have three types: if it is ID is clogged, mail into the message, ID is process that message was sent. When incur is accepting block process, it promotes its process hold the request resources. If clock process collect its own incur data in view. And this is the handling management. And so the rational deadlock detection is like the main is the admin for the maintain user WFD and search for cycle. The second one is assign deadlock disclosure. In this node, this like individually responsible for the maintaining global WFDG and detecting deadlocks. And hierarchy deadlock detection is like the node is like where the tree is section detect deadlock involved in the hierarchy.